Hey there, I'm Joe Carter. If you've ever popped the hood and thought, where do I even start? You're in good company. Around here, we take the mystery out of car repair, one fix at a time. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, there's something here for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're into learning without the headaches. All right, that's enough from me. Let's get into it.
There are many types of engine oils, and it is sometimes not easy to choose the right one. But for a particular internal combustion engine requires a car oil that meets the requirements of the automobile manufacturer. About the parameters affecting the classification, we will talk below. Classification. All oil for the engine is allocated in three main groups on the basis: synthetic. Such oil for the engine on the can, box, is indicated by the inscription, fully synthetic. The basis is made up of chemical substances synthesized through chemical processes. While combined with various additives that improve the composition of the product, it has the properties of protection, cleaning of the internal combustion engine. Synthetic engine oil does not thicken at low temperatures, within the specified limits. Maintains operating properties even when exposed to high temperatures, semi-synthetic. A compromise between mineral and synthetic. However, the base is mineral, with a large number of additives. This composition has similarities with synthetic, hence, similar performance indicators at a lower price. Mineral base is a product obtained in the process of distillation of oil. Technical and operational characteristics are inferior to synthetics. Work at high temperatures is unstable due to the presence of natural components in its composition. At negative temperatures, it thickens. Interacts with air in the course of chemical reactions, due to which slags are formed on the engine when boiling. Engine oil is divided and categorized by type of powertrain: gasoline engines, diesel, turbocharged. Viscosity, temperature, property, price. Distinction by field of application. The classification by field of application outlined above has three types: diesel, gasoline, turbocharged. However, the recent trend has led to the emergence of a subset of its own types of oils. This is due to the mass production of turbocharged engines, gasoline, diesel. This classification of engine oil distinguishes between compositions with different additives. They create conditions for efficient operation of the oil on engines with a certain type of fuel. These additives prevent the oil from thickening and foaming in turbo engines. The corresponding indicator is specified in the regulations of the International Standard API, developed in 1947 by the American Petroleum Institute. Two letters in Latin after the name of the standard indicate the oil for a particular type of motor. Letter S, service, gasoline. Motors, C, commercial, diesel. The second letter after the data is responsible for the presence of a turbine, and also indicates the period of time of production. Of power units, the oil is designed for them. Also in diesel oils there is a digit 2 or 4, denoting a 2-4-stroke motor. Universal engine oil is used on gasoline and diesel. Classification in this case has a double standard. Example: SF, CC, SG, CD and so on. Explanation of API, gasoline, classification according to API standard with small explanations. Gasoline automobile engines, SC, development. Of cars, engines, up to 1964, SD, up to 1964-68, SE, up to 1969-72, SF, up to 1973-88, SG, up to 1989-94, harsh operating conditions. SH, up to 1995-96, severe operating conditions. SJ, up to 1997-2000, modernized energy-saving properties. SL, up to 2001-2003. Long service life. SM, cars, motors, from 2004. SL+, enhanced resistance to oxidation process. Example, previously used engine oil SH, then the next brand will be SJ, because the oil composition of a higher class is enriched with all the additives of the previous one. It is not recommended. Replacement of used oil composition labeled SD, cars with archaic internal combustion engines with SL, modern cars. This is fraught with malfunctions, increased wear of engine parts. Explanation of API, diesel, classification for diesel power units, CB, machines, motors, designed before 1961, high concentration of sulfur, CC, before 1983, severe operating conditions, CD, before 1990, fuel contains H2SO4 in large quantities, severe operating conditions, CE, before 1990, turbocharged, CF, before, from 90, turbocharged, CG, 4, before, from 94, turbocharged, CH, 4, up to, from 98, high emission standards, for the US market, CI, 4, turbocharged cars, power units, with EGR valve, CI, 4+, identical to the previous one, plus adaptation to high environmental standards in the USA. Grouping by viscosity temperature properties. At the moment the international standard of SAE type is widely used for most oil compositions. SAE regulates the density of the oil, which affects which engine oil to choose. Engine oil, in general, has universal qualities, summer and winter operation. This type of oil, SAE standard, has a designation, numeral Latin letter digit. Example, oil composition 10W, 40W, adaptation to low temperatures, winter. 10 is the maximum negative temperature at which the oil is guaranteed to retain all its properties in its original form. 40, maximum positive temperature, which guarantees the preservation of useful properties of the oil composition. These figures are viscosity indicators, low, high temperature. In case the oil is intended for use in summer, there is a marking, SAE 30. The figure is a designation of the maximum permissible temperature regime, at which there is a guarantee of preservation of properties. Viscosity, negative temperatures, temperature limits are as follows, 0W, engine oil is used at low temperatures up to 35 degrees Celsius, 5W, up to 30 OC, 10W, up to 25 OC, 15W, to 20 OC, 20W, to 15 OC. Viscosity, high temperatures, 30, use of oil up to plus 25, 30 OC, 40, up to plus 40 OC, 50, up to plus 50 OC, 60, above 50 OC. Conclusion, the lowest figure corresponds to liquid oil, the highest figure corresponds to thick oil. Engine oil 10W, 30 should be used at temperature regimes, -20, +25 degrees. ACEA standard. This classification is common in Europe. The abbreviation is deciphered as the name of the organizational structure of the European Association of Automobile Manufacturers. The standard was introduced in 1996. In conclusion, understanding automotive oils and their classifications is essential for maintaining your vehicle's performance and longevity. From conventional to synthetic, each type of oil serves a specific purpose and offers unique benefits. By choosing the right oil for your engine, you can ensure optimal lubrication, reduce wear and tear, and enhance fuel efficiency. Remember to always check your owner's manual for recommendations and stay informed about the latest advancements in automotive oils. Thank you for watching, and drive safely.